You're running a business, you're dealing with international transactions, and you're sick of hidden fees and clunky interfaces. You've probably heard of Airwallex, right? Solid platform, lots of features. But is it really the best out there? Is there something else, something better that you're missing? Because let's be honest, in the ever-evolving world of fintech, things change fast. What was top dog last year might be lagging behind this year. And when it comes to managing your business finances, especially across borders, you can't afford to be using anything less than the absolute best. So, let's dive in. We're not just going to blindly say this one's better. We're going to look at the key areas that matter to businesses like yours. We're talking about fees, exchange rates, ease of use, integrations, and of course, those little extras that can make a huge difference. First up, fees. Airwallex has a reputation for being competitive, but are they always the cheapest? Dig a little deeper, and you'll find that certain transaction types, certain currencies, and certain volumes can trigger unexpected charges. We need to look for platforms that offer transparent, predictable pricing. No nasty surprises, just clear, upfront costs. Now, what about exchange rates? This is where things get really interesting. Even a tiny difference in the mid-market rate can add up to significant savings, especially when you're dealing with large sums. We need to find a card and platform that consistently offers rates as close to the real market as possible. And then there's usability. Let's face it, nobody wants to spend hours wrestling with a complex interface. We need a platform that's intuitive, easy to navigate, and gets the job done quickly. A card that integrates seamlessly with your existing accounting software, your e-commerce platforms, and your favorite business tools. Think about it, streamlined workflows, automated processes, and real-time insights at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about those extras. Features that go beyond the basics. Things like virtual cards for enhanced security, detailed spending analytics, and robust fraud protection. Are these features just nice-to-haves, or are they essential for protecting your business and maximizing your efficiency? We need to find a card and platform that offers a comprehensive suite of tools, not just a bare-bones service. So, which card and platform are we talking about? Well, after extensive research and testing, one name keeps coming up. Insert platform/card name here. Let's break down why. Insert platform/card name here stands out for its mention 2 to 3 key differentiators, e.g., incredibly competitive exchange rates, zero hidden fees, seamless integration with X and Y. For example, their approach to exchange rates is, explain the specific advantage, e.g., consistently beating the interbank rate by X percentage. And when it comes to fees, they're completely transparent, with mention specific fee structure advantage, e.g., no monthly fees, no transaction fees for X, Y, and Z. But it's not just about the numbers. It's also about the user experience. Their interface is, describe the user experience, e.g., clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech savvy. And their customer support is, describe customer support, e.g., responsive, knowledgeable, and available 24/7. And the features? They've got you covered. From, mention a specific feature, e.g., unlimited virtual cards, for enhanced security to, mention another feature, e.g., detailed spending reports, for better financial control. They've thought of everything. Now, I'm not saying Airwallex is bad. It's a solid platform. But if you're looking for a card and platform that offers even better value, better features, and a better overall experience, insert platform/card name here is definitely worth considering. Do your own research, compare the features, and decide what works best for your business. But don't settle for second best. You deserve a financial solution that's as dynamic and innovative as your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.